Hello, YouTube. It's Nathan McClung. Read The Lady or the Tiger today by Frank R. Stockton, and it doesn't really end. It leaves the ending to be interpreted by the reader. And based on how we read this, we could read it in two ways. The boy could be eaten by a tiger, or he could be married on the spot to a beautiful woman and spend the rest of his life with her. My opinion of how this ends. I strongly believe at the conclusion of Frank R. Stockton's The Lady or the Tiger, the boy was devoured by a vicious and hangry, one of my wife's favorite words, tiger. The first piece of textual evidence that leads me to this conclusion can be found on page 3 of the PDF that we are using in class, and reads that the king had a daughter with a soul as fervent and imperious as his own. This princess, like her father, was willing to haphazardly make decisions without justification. Additionally, jealousy is real and, with all the intensity of the savage blood transmitted to her through long lines of holy barbaric ancestors, the princess hated the woman. Page 5. The language used here reflects how intensely the princess loathes this woman. I cannot imagine her allowing her lover to live the rest of his life with this woman, no matter how much the princess may love the boy. The boy is a goner. He's eaten by the tiger. Everybody watches it, and the princess has to live with this decision for the rest of her life. Have a great day, YouTube.